Are you looking to make your Google site more dynamic and informative? Today, I'm going to show you how to add a live weather widget to your Google site in just a few simple steps. This is a full guide for 2025, so whether you're creating a personal site, a school project, or a business page, you'll have real-time weather updates right on your site. First, you need a weather widget. There are several free options available online that provide customizable weather widgets. Once you've chosen one, you'll get an embed code. This code is what allows the weather widget to appear on your website. Next, open your Google site and navigate to the page where you want the weather to show. Click on the Insert menu and select Embed. In the box that appears, paste the embed code you got from the weather widget provider. After pasting, click Insert, and the widget will appear on your page. You can drag it, resize it, and position it exactly where you want it for the best look. And that's it! Your site now displays live weather updates, giving your visitors a useful and engaging experience. Adding features like this not only makes your site more interactive, but also adds a professional touch. If you found this guide helpful, give it a try on your Google site today and see how easy it is to enhance your website's functionality.